Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm Brian with Copper Sky Industries. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at our mini barrel plating machine here. First off, I want to talk about the barrel a little bit. When you're taking this off, you don't want to grab it here and just turn. What I like to do is grab it around the gear like that and just twist it off. Or you could grab it right here by the side of that gear and just hold it in place and remove it like that. It makes it easier, and you're not twisting backwards on the motor in there. Another thing here is this ball dangler that we have. I guess it's not really much of a ball, but you want to make sure when you put your material in the basket for plating that this thing is making contact in there with your material. One of the ways, this is adjustable. You can move this back and pull it up, but that you're not getting much contact there unless your barrel's pretty full. What we like to do is slide it down and get it kind of long there. And then an easy way to tell is when you put the basket back on, you'll actually hear it. You'll actually hear it in there when you can kind of see down in there, but when you take it off, you can hear it rubbing against the basket in there. And that's a good indicator that it's making contact with whatever you have in there. So let's see. You can hear it kind of rubbing against there. Okay, another thing, this right here, the alligator clip on the end of this is what's going to connect to the negative side of whatever power source you're using. In our case, we use one of these little units here. And when we set up our bath, we end up just connecting these two together, and that's your contact there. And then the red wire here will connect to I guess your cathodes in your plating bath. Back here, it's pretty simple. You have your switch. Once you click it, it's on, and then you go all the way to increase the speed or go back to decrease the speed. And here's the plug here. It comes with your supplied power supply, and you just plug it in there and plug her in, and you're ready to go. I guess that's pretty well it for now. Next week I'm gonna have another video out where we're actually gonna set this sucker up and put it in the bath so you can see it in action doing plating, what it was designed to do. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.